Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. Welcome back to another video. Good afternoon. We have such a late start to our day today. It is like 11:30. We're just now getting ourselves together to get out of the house to go get some food because we stayed up until like 3:30 this morning. So we are just like so slumped. So we're just stepping out to go get some food. But welcome back to the vlog. I'm Cherie. If you are new here, thank you for stopping by. Thank you. Today's a gorgeous day outside. Gorgeous Saturday. There's something in my eye.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
You and me belong together. Okay, let's go before my husband has a fit.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by.
Stop.
Esta era así, cerca.
Hi guys, good morning and welcome back. Well, it's a continue on from yesterday. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday. We're making breakfast. I'm gonna make some tostones with codfish for breakfast this morning and see where Sunday takes us. Can't believe it's Sunday again. It's Sunday already. Today we're making curry goat for dinner and I'm so excited. I've just been craving curry goat, so I'm so excited to make some today. I want to go play tennis later. Well, maybe after we're done eating. It's like 9:50 because I gotta come back and start the curry goat and stuff. So yeah, But I woke up early today, got a little stuff done around the house, doing laundry, this, that, and the third, clean up the office. So that's what we've been up to all morning. So now we're gonna make some breakfast.
Day breaks and I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open in half, just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and It's you and we go back and forth every time, waiting for one of us to cross the line. You got me and I got you, and we got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open in half, just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and It's you and It's you and
All right, y'all. We are gonna go play tennis. Some cute little tennis bits. Let's go. chase it. Alright guys, I'm back from playing tennis. I had a really good time playing tennis. It was fun. The weather is hot today, but it's not sunny, so it made for a perfect day to play tennis outside. So yeah, it like wasn't really as hot as it could have been because there wasn't really any sun, so that's nice. So we're back. It's 3 o'clock. I know it's really late for me to start making curry goat, but I think it'll be done by 6. Like, I really do think it'll be done by 6 because the goat that I get from the store that I go to, it's not that hard to cook. So I feel like 3, even if it's done by 7 and we eat at 7, that's not bad because that's around the time that we eat dinner anyways. So I took it out like maybe 10-15 minutes ago to just let it come to room temperature, and then I'm gonna throw it on. And then while that's cooking and stuff, I'm gonna work on some stuff and kind of plan my week out. See, this week was very productive with how I uploaded on like YouTube and Instagram, TikTok, and all my content that I posted this week on Instagram did really well engagement wise, which is nice. I'm hoping to like carry on that streak, hopefully. So yeah, hopefully I can keep that streak going and see. I was able to pull a few new followers on Instagram, but not a ton, but that's fine. I just need to work on getting my engagement back up, my reach back up, because my reach was really good like a few months ago and I kind of fallen off track. So I need to get my reach back up because that's what's important when brands try and work with you, is you have good reach. So I'm gonna work on that. I'm gonna plan out some content for this week. I'm just gonna try to stick to what I'm currently doing, like morning routines, evening routines. Those seem to do really well. At least this week they did really well, and they typically do well. It's just sometimes it's like not where I want it to be. But for the most part, my reach did went up from 10,000 to 13,000, which is good. But I'm coming from like 20,000 with my reach, so I gotta work back on that to get back up there. But yeah, I posted 4 videos this past week. Is it 4? Yeah. 4 videos this week, and they all did really well. My reach was good, so that's good. That's that. Anyways, so I'm gonna try to just stick with what I posted this last couple, like last 2 weeks, and see where that takes me. We'll see. But anyways, let me go put on this curry goat. I'm gonna take you guys with me in the kitchen here in a second, and yeah. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Happy Monday. I am getting ready to go to work. Getting ready to go to work. Yep, I'm about to get myself together here and go to work. I might bring you guys along with me today just because I just didn't have enough footage for this weekend. This weekend was a pretty like just chill weekend, like honestly. Didn't really get up to much. It was just pretty chill. So I figure I might just bring you guys to work with me today. I only have one case today, which is nice. I have an abdominoplasty and breast augmentation. And I think, yeah, I think that's it. That's it. So, yeah. I feel like I got a good amount of sleep, but I feel like no matter how much sleep I get, I will just never like waking up early. I'm just never gonna get used to it, you know? But it is what it is. You gotta do what you gotta do. You do what you got to do, and you move. Alright, that'll do. that will do. Come on, show yourself. I need some release. I think it's really funny whenever I post like surgery stuff, people get so like confused about really how surgery works. Because whenever I show like I'm scrubbing and then obviously I'm still like recording stuff, people are like, well, how do you touch your phone? Like, isn't your phone contaminated? And I was like fighting for my life trying to explain to this girl yesterday that like it doesn't matter, like until I am like scrubbed into a case, like you can touch other things. And it's like such a hard thing to explain to people, but it's also really funny. I gotta get my eggs off the stove. But yeah, people get really confused about that. So I feel like one day I'm gonna make a video explaining that. Clean, y'all. Trying to keep this office clean. I should have shown you guys the office yesterday. Like between me and Daniel, between Daniel's tornado of clothes that he had for weeks upon weeks in here, it was a mess. And my stuff like all over my makeup and everything, and boxes all over the place. This office was a disaster. And when I sat down to clean it yesterday, I just did not feel like vlogging. Like there's just some stuff where I'm like, when I start vlogging, when I just want to get it done, I can't vlog. Because I just don't want to think about like moving the camera, this. I'm just like, I need to get this done immediately. I need to get it done. And so that's what I did yesterday. But let's go to work. Let's go. I'm gonna go crack my eggs, open them up, and then pack my lunch, and I'm out of here. Hey guys, hey, I totally really like lied when I said I was gonna have you guys come to work with me yesterday. Guys, it's Tuesday. I just got home. I'm having some strawberries and cream. But you know what? I'm gonna close out this vlog. I don't know what's on this vlog for you guys, but I'm gonna close it out. I'm gonna post it and start a new one. So I just wanted to hop on here and say that. So hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Don't forget to check out my fitness website. Sign up with me if you want. Looking for a personal trainer. Feel free to hit me up if you have any questions, surgical tech wise, anything at all. Just hit me up. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.